For over 30 years, Enright Asphalt has been working with commercial and residential customers across Henderson, Colorado. We are the leading paving company people call for their asphalt projects. We are family-owned and locally operated. Additionally, we are fully insured, including workers' compensation. Commercial services, parking lot paving, parking lot installation, parking lot seal coating. Residential services, driveway seal coating, driveway paving, driveway installation. Asphalt patching and crack sealing. Parking lot striping. Call us today for a free no-obligation estimate on your upcoming project. 720-637-4960 or enrightasphalt.com.